All right, how we doing, guys? We Alexa, stop. We just got into market open. We had, as far as news, we only had unemployment claims at 8:30. So we'll kind of see how that goes. We are overall bullish on the higher time frame, as you can see. I think we are going to continue going higher a little bit, maybe go lower for a little retrace, maybe. So we'll see what happens here. We have London lows we're taking. These are London highs, so we're gonna go ahead and mark this as London highs. And I think Asia lows need to be taken. So Asia lows would be 2000. So these would be Asia lows. Okay, overall higher time frame is bullish, but I kind of do want shorts. Maybe it's kind of looking like bearish a little bit just because of order flow. As you can see, we're getting a little retrace into this daily fair value gap. If we do tap and take out these highs, maybe we can look for a potential. How many bars is that? Hold on. For a potential. These are previous week highs. Okay. So yeah, I think we might come down here to take out these lows down here. These are pre-market lows, so we'll see what happens. Let me see what we have on ES. What Wi-Fi am I on? Okay. All right, we have an SMT with ES. ES looks like it already took out those highs and is already trading in that fair value gap. So who knows? Maybe we're gonna continue lower. Who knows? We have a higher time frame SMT. So these are hard to trade when it's high time frame SMTs, just because one of them is a leading index and the other one isn't. They both took it out on 9:30. London highs 2000. Okay. London highs. There is one for value gap that I can trade back into, which is right here. So that potentially could be a reason to. I don't think we're gonna go ahead and get that SMT anymore. I think we're gonna go ahead and come up here and take it, to be honest. If we do take it, SMT, we'll delete this. If we do take it, I might be looking to actually short. There's that SMT. Not MNQ. Before I forget. Goddamn mosquito. Yeah. I kind of want to look for shorts. Just take out these lows. How many points is that? Yeah, that's pretty doable. Take out these points, and then from there, continue higher. I do want to see it go higher a little bit. Okay, we don't have an SMT or anything just yet. I am gonna risk heavy on these. These are new accounts, fresh accounts. I bought 3. They are labeled "Follow Your Rules." I spent $300 fucking dollars on this shit because okay, we have a fair value gap here on ES because they dropped these new no activation fee accounts. So if I pass them, then I will be funded with 3 accounts, but no activation fee. So it's better. It's more profitable if I actually do follow my rules. So As you can see up there, up where is it? Up here, I have the number of trades that I've been following. I have to restart or reset that to 0. My highest one is 5, so it looks like we might even get an SMT. Let me go put on socks and delete this real quick. PR is 5. All right. We have an SMT right here. I like to see that SMT. I like that. Let's see where YM is at right now. Damn, YM is ripping hard. YM is gone. I really like that SMT, but I wouldn't go off of a breaker structure because that's not my strategy. I could go for that, but if we get a breaker structure and a fair value gap, I will be going in with that. Unless ES takes this inverse fair value gap, makes this inverse fair value gap here, and then potentially go. That's too low. Potentially go short off of that. Actually, I kind of like this breaker structure. I'm not gonna lie. If we get it, 42 points, 5 cons. Yeah, I like this. I like this move. Okay. We're in. And this is a perfect trade. How many points is this away? 119 and then 118? Or 112? We got that breaker structure. We might even come up here and tap into that fair value gap. I like this move, so I will leave it at that. I won't be going break even until maybe this point right here. Yeah, until maybe this low right here, this low resistance liquidity. But that's if we do keep it. It looks like we might even come up here and tap that fair value gap. So if it does, I could potentially add 2 more cons to that. So because we tapped ES as well right here. We'll see. I think I might add 2 more cons. Never mind. I'll wait for one more candle. I'm totally okay if we lose this trade. It was a good trade, so why is the camera not like that? There's a perfect fill. Okay, I like this. Oh, I can't add more cons anymore unless it goes like right here. Or 2. Let's look at YM. YM is still ripping. I don't like that at all. Yes. I don't like how that candle was bought up. Don't like that at all. It looks like we are getting SMTs, so that is really good. That did not touch. Did that take that high? No, equal highs. I don't like the equal highs on ES. We'll see. I think Dow is still ripping, which I don't like that at all either. I don't like how price is holding up right now. So, because we tapped into this for value gap perfectly on ES, and then from there just rallied all the way up. I don't think it's a 5-minute or anything like that. No. Um, we have another SMT up here at these highs from here to here as well. So I like that SMT as well. I forgot to put my socks on. Let's look at YM, what it's doing. Yeah, YM is gonna fucking rip all the way. If I had waited for a retrace into that for value gap, I would have not been able to get filled as well as how I just did right now. Like I said, the reason I went in was because of the inverse for value gap, and yeah, even though it inversed right now, it's all right because it's still respecting on NQ, so I don't really mind that. And we're making a bunch of SMTs. YM is going higher, so that is kind of scary. This candle is also scary how it just got bought up really fast. Don't like that, but we can't do anything about it anymore. We're in the trade, we're making a bunch of SMTs on both sides, so I really don't like that either. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. This is a good trade. I don't mind this trade at all. So yeah. It's 9:37 the time I went in the trade. It's around the same time I went in yesterday, but that was because I actually went in with like actually no entry at all. So here there is an entry, so I like that. I am comfortable with that entry, so I don't really mind it at all. We are still making a bunch of SMTs up here. We have another SMT up here on ES all the way down here. So these SMTs are holding pretty well. We took out London High, and now price looks like it wants to, based off of that 5-minute candle and 30-minute and 15-minute, it looks like it's kind of stalling right now. Yeah, don't know, no idea. It's my strategy. It's a trade. So there's nothing I can do. Fuck, we're gonna get cooked. Yeah, we're gonna get cooked, guys. Well, it is what it is, you know. It is what it is if we get cooked. This might be it. First losing trade, you know. Still followed my rules, so I can't be pissed off about that. There's gonna be losses all the time, especially especially in these conditions. But I can't blame the market. I pressed the buttons. I was the one who pressed the buttons, and I was the one who thought it was a good idea to short. And I still think it is a good idea to short because we're getting a bunch of SMTs. We're still getting a bunch of SMTs. So the only thing I don't like is how price disrespected this for Valley Gap. So yeah, it looks like we took out this liquidity down here, this low resistance liquidity. And then from there, hopefully, oh, are those equal highs? Hold on. Fuck, they might be equal highs. Equal highs are dangerous, guys. Equal highs are dangerous. Let's look at YM. YM is going lower. E and Q is going higher. I don't know what the fuck is going on. I might be cooked, to be honest. It is what it is, you know. It is what it is. L for today. It's not looking too good right now. Now we made an SMT with ES. That's weird. There is another SMT right here. So who knows what's going on right now? I really like this trade, guys. We might be cooked though. I really liked it. Another SMT. Holy shit. We're making a shit ton of SMTs. I don't even know what's going on right now. Now we just wait and hope we don't get stopped out. But if we do, like I said, it was my setup. Can't do anything. Maybe today is an L day, which I think it might be. We're about to go in the macro. Yeah. Like I said, it's not looking too good. I think we're gonna get stopped out, but if we do get stopped out, it's okay. It's a trade. I follow my strategy, so can't be mad about that. And if I didn't go in that off of that breaker structure, I would have gone in off of this candle right here. This candle right here. So yeah. Yeah, I think we are gonna get stopped out, to be honest. It's close. 6 points away. It's most likely that we do get stopped out, but if we do get stopped out, I will be able to go and clean my house. So that's a W. That's a W right there. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get cooked. It's just one little push up. Not a good start. There it is. Okay. It is what it is. Not a good start to the account, but it's fine. Usually all of my other accounts we usually start them with the loss. So I can't be mad. I can't be mad about that. But yeah. I am gonna get off now. Oh my god. Am I really gonna get fucking wicked off? Are you fucking kidding me? I can't look at this shit anymore. Anyways, I am gonna go and clean or something before I go crazy because fuck man, this shit's definitely gonna fucking dump. Yeah. This is fucking crazy. I can't believe this shit. I can't believe this fucking shit, bro. I swear. Did I really just get wicked off? There's actually no fucking way, right? There's actually no way. Hmm. What is it now? Did I go too early? Did I go in too early? Like, oh my god, this hurts to watch. This hurts to watch, to be honest. There's actually no fucking way, guys. Oh man, I can't believe this. I can't. I fucking can't. Yeah, we're gonna dump all the way. There's no way we don't dump. I'm gonna end this shit here. I'll just take the loss. It's fine. It was my system. It's all right. Um, maybe what fucked me up is that we're overall bullish, and I knew that we were bullish, and I even said that we were bullish. But we didn't actually come down and sweep anything except London lows. So maybe that was my mistake that we swept London lows, and now we're gonna get a reversal. So we have accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution. So AMD, that was my fucking mistake, maybe because I wanted to see it go higher, but it obviously went up here and took out London highs first, and then from there it just kind of stalling. So it would have been perfect if we came down here and took out Asia lows or these previous lows, so then we can continue going higher. But right now it's looking like it's now gonna go down here now that I'm stopped out. Lost $400. First trade on the accounts on all three. Like I said, I spent $300 fucking dollars on this shit just to get him. Um, it is what it is. Tomorrow's a bank holiday. I'm not gonna trade tomorrow, or probably maybe. Who knows? Um, fucking great. Oh man, fuck me. You have got to be fucking kidding me. Well, that would have been my fucking break even point, and I would have been risk free for the day. But now Prize decided to go fucking manipulate me, and then from there, fucking dump all the way to my fucking take profit. Oh man, it's gonna hit take profit. It's gonna hit. I'm closing this shit. I don't wanna fucking see this anymore. I'll see you guys.